The Haryana Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar was forced to cancel a visit to the Karnal district for a Kisan outreach program today called by the Kisan Mahapanchayat. Why? Because protesters clashed with the police at the same spot and ransacked the stage set up for the event. The CM's helicopter could not even land. Tear gas was used and police had to come in huge numbers to disperse the protesters. This is what happened.
Unable to land, forced to go back, the Haryana Chief Minister's chopper had to return from the venue of his Mahapanchayat, which he had called to explain what the government says are the benefits of the new farm laws. Farmers were in no mood to listen, and they made their displeasure with their Chief Minister quite clear, ransacking the preparations to welcome the Chief Minister at Kamala village near Karnal.
गांव के ग्रामीण क्षेत्र के उन लोगों को एक अपेक्षा थी कि मुख्यमंत्री आज आएंगे और उस इलाके के लिए कुछ न कुछ विकास के कार्यों के नाते से घोषणाएं करेंगे। और इस आंदोलन के पीछे अगर हाथ है तो मैं समझता हूं कांग्रेस पार्टी का बड़ा हाथ है, कम्युनिस्टों का बड़ा हाथ है।
Earlier in the day, the police had tried their best to stop the protesters with lathis, water cannons and tear gas. But they broke through all barricades to reach the venue of the Chief Minister's event. BJP leaders and ministers have been facing severe protests across the state. And many BJP leaders have now been advised by the State Intelligence Department to update them on any public events. Since these protests started, more than 60 farmers have lost their lives. Amrinder Singh, a farmer from Punjab's Fatehgarh Sahib district, was the latest to join the tragic list, dying in hospital after consuming poison.
धरने में आया था और वहाँ से कोई अस्पताल खा लिया जिससे इसकी फिर हॉस्पिटल में लाया गया जहाँ पर इसकी मौत हो गई थी.
Meanwhile, leader of opposition in Haryana Assembly and senior Congress leader Bhupinder Singh Hooda also criticized the Chief Minister for ordering the use of force on farmers.
टकराव तो कोई अच्छी चीज़ नहीं है, तो इसी वास्ते सरकार से आग्रह कर रहा हूँ कि हट छोड़कर इनका जो है इनका समाधान निकालें, 15 तारीख को निकालें ताकि शांति बने और किसान भी अपने अपने घरों में वापस जाएं, अपनी खेती करें.
Despite the talks going on between the union government and farmer leaders, farmers continue to protest against the new farm laws. And the Haryana government seems to have decided that any protest against farm laws will be dealt with strongly. With Mohammad Ghazali in Chandigarh, Rohit Wellington for NDTV.